This time I'll try to show you a little bit of the Goa road during this first day, or you can say it's just the beginning of the monsoon, and you can see the beauty of just the first day of monsoon, and you can see the weather. It's nice and beautiful. There's many things I have to show you in today's vlog, and the rough ocean to the cats and dog raining, everything. So I am on the Fort Aguada road, which is a beautiful road in the beach city of India, which is Goa. So this road is just a few hundred meters away from sea, the Arabian Sea, and on both sides of this road there are many small shops which sell antiques and various other things.
A few moments later.
It's raining quite bad here in Goa. It's the first time it is raining this season, but it was horrifying. So yeah, as I said, today is the first day of the monsoon. We are waiting for the monsoon in India. So generally in the very first week of June it enters the beautiful city of Kerala, and then gradually it spreads all over India. So during this season it rains a lot in India. So as we were facing a lot of hot and humid climate in Goa, so now you can see the weather. It turns out to be amazing, beautiful, green. So friends, I'll try to do more of vlogs on travel, food and many other things, where I'll be showing my family, Arav, Ruby cooking things for me, and I'll be cooking for them. That's gonna be fun in the coming days. In the last vlog I showed you the Fort Aguada, the ruins of Fort Aguada, and the central jail, which is a very old central jail in this city of Goa. So I try to capture the rain, the heavy rain. I try to capture the greenery and the sea, obviously, the rough sea. I will cover everything in this blog. So as I always wanted to mention that you can go and watch my other videos, so here I'm putting on top the link for my most watched video, which was my trip to Bhatiyar Gali in Ahmedabad, where I have shown the amazing night food, like basically the night street food, where I had with my friend beautiful chicken curry and the liver and the nice breads and everything. So I have just shown you the signage where they say where this direction will go to the capital city Panjim, to this, to the beach, and various other beautiful places. You can see the flowers, the beautiful flowers on the road. So this is the beauty of this beautiful city called Goa. I just came here few months back. I joined this place. Ruby and Ara followed me the next month, and we all got a beautiful flat, which I'll definitely give a show around to all of you. So basically we are right now, just to inform you, that we are settled in Goa. I don't know for how many years, but we definitely will be going to stay more, as we love the food, as we love this place, the roads, the gardens, the sea and everything. In fact, Ruby and Arab also love the same. We are fish lovers, seafood lovers, and here we get plenty of seafood in the market. So from office to the work is approximately 4.5 kilometers, which is almost 5 kilometers. And during this journey to my office, I cover almost all the major places. In the next, on my right, you can see the supermarket called Newton. It's a supermarket. You can get many things here. So here at this point of time, I definitely want suggestions from you all about the kind of videos you want to see. I know most of my followers are from the West. They're all English speaking subscribers, but I know my Indian subscriber also. I'll definitely try to put subtitles for everybody, so that everybody can enjoy my videos, everybody can see and understand the videos. But at this point of time, I definitely want suggestions from you all about which kind of video you want to see, because many of my subscribers keep telling me that do more of food blogs, no travel blogs. But what I felt at some point of time is doing travel blog is sometimes good, which definitely showcases the city where you are living, and the kind of food, the kind of street food you can have at various places. So just a suggestion I'm asking from you all, that please drop me comments about which kind of blogs you are looking forward, which definitely will be a food blog, or maybe a cooking session at home, or maybe outside, or maybe a travel blog where I'll be traveling with my wife, with my son, because I don't think so I can do daily vlogs like other vloggers, because I am a office goer. I have to wake up early in the morning, I have to go to the office, I work in a kitchen, I'm a chef, I have a busy day, I come back late, so it definitely makes me very busy for doing daily vlogs. But yes, travel vlogs, food vlogs, I can do it for you. I will love to do it for you. Just keep on showing a little extra love on my videos. I know I am not punctual when it comes to uploading my vlogs. I know I traveled, I have shifted from one city to another. I missed many days where I have to do vlogs for you. I know you must be waited for it for so long, but trust me, I will definitely try to do a frequent vlogging, and I will love to show you my life, what I eat, what I cook, where I travel, and this way we will be connected. So just a little extra love, affection. Keep if you like my videos, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest vlogs. Do not forget to share that video if you like it. So that's way I will be motivated, and that's how the life goes. I know the punctuality is the key in YouTube vlogging, which I am lacking, but I know I will very soon get into this. I'll be regular. So now I'm just reaching my house, which will be few 200 or 300 meters away from here. So I travel from Candolim to Kalangut, two major tourist destination of Goa, with most beautiful beaches, and obviously the market. So you can see all over the road there is water logged, but yeah, the weather become pleasant, beautiful. In the upcoming vlog, I'm planning to do some kind of nice curry stuff, which you're definitely going to learn, and you can, all my European and American subscribers can try that at their places. So this is my grocery shop where I buy milk from Arab and few of the stuff. So during that lockdown, it helps us a lot. We bought many things frequently from this place. So I'm going to buy a few things and I'll be back again. So I just had my stuff, some cookies, some chips for this rainy day. So the shop is just next to our flat. And I'm about to reach in a minute. So my house is also situated just 500 meters away from this beautiful beach. And here we are going to enter it. So this is the entrance. And the parking lot. Here I'm going to park my Royal Enfield. All right. See you in a while inside my flat.